In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to subscribe to Suno AI. So let's get started. First of all, is that you want to set up your account. So you want to go into their website or the app on your phone, basically the same thing. You can click here on sign in if you already have an account or sign up if you don't have one yet. And from here, you can choose from their login method. So you can go for Apple, Discord, Facebook, Google, Microsoft, or your phone number right here. And then once you're logged in, you should be prompted in here. So once you're here in the home page, you want to click here on the credits section right here in the top left menu. And in here, you can now click on Upgrade to Pro. And this is where you'll be prompted into the pricing plans, wherein you can now select the plan that you'd want. So you can see we have the free plan, Pro plan, Premier plan. So just go here into their features so that you'd be able to understand what you will be getting in each plan. And don't forget to go for the billing right here. So do you want a monthly billing cycle or yearly? So if you go for yearly, you'd get 20% off already, which is a huge base discount. Once you've chosen your plan, click on subscribe, and then you'll now be prompted into the checkout page. And from here, you can now add a promotion code or coupon code if you have one, and then provide your contact information in here and your payment information. And once you're all good with this, including with the total price that you're gonna pay, click on subscribe, and that's how you can subscribe to Suno AI.